Notion is a collaborative workspace for documents, wikis, project management, and more. It's also your AI Everything app, which provides a powerful AI toolset. We have two main Gen AI use cases at Notion. We like to call it the find and the do. We have the ability to find content and use retrieval augmented generation to be able to answer people's questions based upon the content inside their own workspace. And the other is we like to be able to generate new content, new pages based upon all of the stuff that exists in their workspace, or sometimes also what comes out of LLMs themselves. We're using Confluent's data streaming platform for two main reasons. One is the online indexing to make sure that our AI recommendations and vector database searches are kept up to date. The other is the offline indexing, where we capture everything into our data lake to onboard new customers as they come along and want to start using our AI tools. The Confluent data streaming platform really is the backbone of our GenAI use cases. In particular, it really allows us to stream changes as they get made inside the application itself directly into our vector database to make sure that all of our search and content generation capabilities are kept very much up to date. People using these systems expect to see their changes reflected very quickly. Confluent has impacted our GenAI use case by providing a reliable, scalable backbone for all of our data transfer. It has ensured that our users always get real-time data when they're interacting with our AI tools. Using Confluent for GenAI allows us to have scalability, real-time data availability without breaking the bank. And it allows our GenAI applications to remain scalable and responsive. We have the ability to select between dozens of these different models. Notion's adoption of Confluent freed us from having to manage our infrastructure, which meant that our engineers were able to focus on building things rather than managing things.
We continue to iterate really fast. We build and enable new use cases like what's powered by AI today to help our product teams move fast. As an infra platform team, understand the right primitives, but then make them as accessible and as easy for them to adopt.
Leveraging Confluent has allowed us to scale our data streaming applications and make many of our AI and general streaming dreams a reality. And it has been noticed by many of the other engineering teams within Notion. They've started coming to us as they've seen other teams have great results with this and say, hey, how can we build something ourselves which is going to react to real-time events?